I need to get a new mobile phone, but I really don't know which one to buy. I will ask Zoomer, he is a tech-savvy guy and he can help me with my choice. He should be here in a moment.
Hi buddy, sorry for being late. So, which mobile will you buy?
I don't know yet. Which one are you using right now?
I have the new Google Pixel 6 Pro, it's a good one.
Really? Let's go inside the shop and see what they got.
Hi, we are looking for a good mobile phone for my friend.
Which one do you want?
I don't know. Maybe Google Pixel 6 Pro or something like that.
I have Pixel 6 Pro, but I can show you another good one. It's the OnePlus 9 Pro.
How is that OnePlus 9 Pro better than my Pixel 6 Pro?
OnePlus 9 Pro has the Snapdragon 888 chipset, which outperformed the Google Tensor chipset by 17% on the Antutu test.
I don't care as long as my Pixel is enough for PUBG, and has a nice display.
You are right. OnePlus 9 Pro has an AMOLED display which is better than the OLED in Pixel 6 Pro, but they both have almost the same screen size, 6.7 inches, and same screen resolution.
I don't really understand these tech words, but I heard that a good phone should have a big memory.
Yes, that's right. Both phones have 12 gigabits of RAM, but the Google Pixel 6 Pro can go up to 512 gigabits storage space, while OnePlus 9 Pro is limited to 256 gigabits.
What about the OnePlus camera? Is it better than my Pixel 6 Pro camera? I can't take really good photos with it.
Yes, I would like to have the best camera to take pictures for my Instagram.
Instagram is a fakery. It's all about filters. Technically, while the OnePlus in theory does better on the ultra-wide front, and boasts an extra sensor, the Pixel 6 Pro has a megapixel advantage for the main and telephoto cameras, plus a higher magnification for the zoom lens.
I didn't understand a shift. Which one should I get for a good selfies?
OnePlus 9 Pro has 16 megapixels front camera, which is more than 11 megapixels in Pixel 6 Pro.
What about the battery and charging? I feel like my Pixel 6 Pro doesn't give me enough hours of PUBG.
Google 6 Pro has bigger battery capacity, 5,000, while OnePlus, only 4,500, but tests showed that OnePlus give more talk hours. Also OnePlus has a fast charging at 65 watts, and wireless charging at 50 watts, which is way better than Pixel 6 Pro fast charging at 30 watts, with wireless charging at 23.
What you think, Zoomer? Should I go for Google Pixel or OnePlus?
I see that Pixel 6 Pro is a little cheaper, but I think that you should go for OnePlus for the AMOLED screen and the better camera resolution.
Okay then. I will go for OnePlus 9 Pro. Finally I got a new mobile phone. Let's enjoy some music with my new headphone.